Okay, so the blend space presentation was about multiplication as groups. So for this activity, we are going to use circle pieces of construction paper and an object like black rectangular squares. So you're going to need 12 of these circles because in the multiplication table that was presented in the beginning of the presentation, it shows that the highest number we can have is 12. Like 12 times 12 is 144. So students will be able to work either individually or in a group, but you would want to make sure that each group or person has 12 circles. Then we're going to put some examples on the board. So if we say 2 times 6, you would want to grab 2 circles, put it in front of you, and put 6 rectangular squares onto that circle so that it would look like this in front of them, so that they would be able to add it and realize that 2 times 6 is 12. Now, you don't have to use rectangular squares. You can use candy, marbles, pieces of yarn, anything that's really accessible or that you already have in your classroom. Black rectangular squares was just easier for me because that's what I had with me. But if you wanted to make it more fun, where it's a little bit more hands-on, then you feel free to use anything else. The real purpose of this activity is just so that they can see multiplication as groups hands-on instead of in a worksheet or in a video or just drawn on the board. So once you have all your materials and you know what example problems that you want to do, then you can get started.